moments later.
June 19th, 2010. Conversation
His chain snapped off!
The only thing is,
would setting up deadlines to have a job or income help? Would charging them rent help? I was thinking either one. Jesus Christ, cutting the fucking corner, aren't ya? Another clip for the dash cam. Scotty. But the speeder was out or something apparently. And they took how many? Ow!
What the fuck was that?
Pothole.
I didn't even know there was a puddle on that corner.
The bass can and kick it.
That's a no right turn there, buddy.
And I was talking to your mother just the other night. I told her I thought you were an asshole. She said, yes, I think you're right. And all your friends are assholes, 'cause you've known them your whole life. And somebody told me you've got an asshole for a wife.
Would you please get up to speed? Hello?
Hello? Hello? Anybody home?
Thank you. That was an asshole.
Weekdays from 4. Get a lift home with Kaylee, Emily, Jane and Christos. There is a company in America.
1 minute later.
No bull, the dogs are coming to Bundy. Get a taste of NRL action when the Canterbury Bankstown Bulldogs take on the North Queensland Cowboys. This is fast-running, big-hitting rugby league. Live at Salter Oval on Sunday, August 7th. Get amongst it at the game. All catch the Bulldogs cook-off at the Taste.
No, no.
Ah, fuck you.
What the fuck? You got fucking far, motherfucker.
you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Look behind me, dickhead! Look behind, there's a gap! Look behind me, there's a gap! Look behind me, there's a gap! Don't touch my car! Don't touch my car! Don't touch my car! Don't touch my car!
Hey Garmin. Okay, Garmin.
So he drove past the entrance to the site and we got to do something over there for fucking...
I'll just tell, hang on. Fuck me, man. That was fucking stupid, wasn't it?
Beats the car in front of me.
Oh God.
There is literally a cop sitting right there.
Is your dash cam on?
You can't turn left from here! You can't fucking turn left!
Why is everyone so fucking stupid?
Are you fucking kidding me? Oh, you motherfucker! Fuck you, you dumb motherfucker!
I wish to see you, but your phone doesn't ring and you're gone all the...
That's a no left turn.
But I don't know whether I should have
No left turn there, dumbass. Bicycle is just headphones instead of a helmet. Idiot. And he brake checks me, literally. God damn it! Honestly, a fucking Uber driver.
I remember you told me this, that it probably does come from there, but no, I didn't get a choice, but I kind of said I assumed it would be...
Blinded by the light.
fucking idiots.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present a land yacht. Look at it in its magnificence. What a boat, but I love it. It's oh, the pimp velour seats. Nice. Wow, you are a temporary citizen to the max. What a dipshit.
So we are working with the Ukrainians on how they can prevent any of those research materials from falling into the hands of Russian forces should they approach.
I'm sure you're
presently.
I piss everybody off and ignore the red lights. Drivers always tell me to get fucked, and I hope you break your legs, your legs, your legs.
oh, biffed. Unlucky.
Unlucky.
Fuck me, man! What a fucktard. Oh, Hilly! Look out! Let's go, motherfuckers! Oh my god!
Recording started.